My name is George Limniatis, and I'm a systems engineer here at Carib. Cloudy is our artificial intelligence assistant that is basically going to help us with our internal tasks. Right now, it's basically forming general knowledge. Eventually, it's going to get trained on internal resources and internal databases. Of course, because AI still has the possibility of hallucination, those replies still require manual review. But we can also have it sanity check tickets. So if you create a reply, it will actually help you correct your own spelling errors or grammatical errors, or help you provide additional clarity for the client-facing ticket. Cloudy is hosted internally. We manage the server and we manage the resources that it uses. And also we control the data sets that it has access to. So when you're using Cloudy, it's staying within our network. Whereas if you're using ChatGPT, Anthropic Cloud, Google Gemini, all those other AI agents, they're all hosted on those respective clouds, and they can use that information that you're providing to it to train their AI and even potentially sell your information depending on their privacy policy. Whereas, we run it, we control it. Your data isn't leaving the company. Today, there's a new feature with Cloudy that if you message it directly on WebEx, you'll be able to message the AI directly. So any questions that you want to have, you can even ask it, about different technologies, like, what is DRS in terms of a VMware environment, and be able to answer you, even networking questions and different questions over there. If you wanted to summarize a paragraph for you, it could do so. And everything that you do remains within the network, so it also complies with our policies. I've always had a general interest in AI since I was young, mainly because, in video games, your opponents were, at the start, artificial intelligence in themselves, but they were more of a simplistic form of AI. I studied a little bit about neural networks and machine learning in university. And then, Alexa came out, so the whole idea of having a personal assistant kind of fascinated me. And then when, transformers and diffusers, the main two big recent breakthroughs in AI, happened, which led eventually to ChatGPT and the other agents, the time was right. It's easier now than ever to get into AI and, create your own assistant. Initially, getting the hardware is a tricky thing because, let's just say, NVIDIA cards are in high demand right now, so it can be hard to procure those cards. And I would say in general, in terms of developing internally, it's finding the right parameters and fine-tuning to get AI to provide the right answer, because depending if you want something more creative versus something that's more deterministic, you have to fine-tune the parameters. So there's some pre-processing that's involved, determining where, what the user is asking, where is this a more creative state, creative request versus a more deterministic request.